How did you type that arrow to the right?
Alt 26. So is a Unicode uh thing. So and just be careful that doesn't show up everywhere. So if I do Alt 26, I could get an arrow like that. There's others like the Alt 7 that does a little thing like that,
Or,
and
or
many
you
others
just or you just like me and you write AutoHotkey code that you make
does
your own
that.
combo and send, the Unicode character.
Right.
Because I'm not as cool as Isaias. I don't want to remember these weird arbitrary things. I make mine where it's like Control Shift dollar gives me the fancy dollar emoji, right?
Right, exactly.
Control Shift D gives me my bullet like he has.
Right. Like exactly.
With
I have a few
spaces
of them that I
before
just
it.
know them because I use them so
Yeah.
much, right?
Yeah. And mine, the bullet puts spaces before it and after it, right? Which is how when I want a bullet, usually I want that, right? But again, you customize it to,
By
what,
the way how I just look up those things is by going to altcodes.com
well,
is a website,
yeah.
right?
Or you use our script. Remember the
Also,
lookup
right?
script?
Oh yeah, we have the Unicode search, right?
Yeah.
The
So
only
you
thing is that you have to know
select
the name though.
you select the Unicode lookup.
Yeah, the Unicode lookup. So let me find it. That's the one. The only thing is that you have to know more or less what the thing is.
Right. When you have an example of it and you wonder what it is, yeah.
Right. So here you have to paste the Unicode character there, and then you have a hotkey that you can assign to it, and then you say okay. And every time you do that, so for example, Alt 7, I want that Unicode character, and I want to have that every time I press Alt 2. I say okay. It gives you the code, and now there you go. Every time I press
Yeah.
Alt 2, it would send that bullet.
That's awesome.
Right. It's so cool, right? But if you want to know what you can do, I usually go to this website and I'm find what I'm looking for, right? And how it works is, yeah, for example, number 7 here is that bullet point right there. So 8 is this one, 9 is that one, 10 is that one. So I say, oh, I want that symbol is Alt 11, and it would give me that symbol. And then there's a few of them that I have used so often that now I just know what they are. And but again, it depends on how often you do this and if you really want to do that, by the way. So.
I've found people that English is their second language are usually very good at this because they're used to
Oh yeah.
I need my tilde over my whatever, right? Like, so
Right.
they learn those and then they go like, oh, I can do this and other things too, right?
Yeah, that's exactly how I learned those, because my tildes, they are old codes that I had to learn and I use them very often. And then when they told me, oh, but you can do this one too, I was like, oh, not a big jump from what I have been doing for years. Just like,
When I do Alt 26, I get 6.
yes, because it's very likely that there are a few of those that are the numbers and the letters. By the way, you can do it. So if you go back to the page, you will see that. Oh, sorry, depends, because Alt 26 is the arrow. If you get a number, there are two possible situations. Either the font that you're using doesn't have that arrow, or you're releasing or typing it in a way that is just ending in a different character. Because you can have numbers that represent the numbers. Like, for example, the number 6 is Alt 54. So if I type Alt 54 and let go of the Alt, it will put the number 6 in it.
So you hold down Alt, type the 26, then let go?
Yes, and that is only on the numpad. You cannot do it on the normal numbers. It is on the numpad. If you are in a laptop, it's going to be a little bit differently. You have to use the num lock or something to actually do this. But in a normal computer that you have a numpad in, you have to press Alt, type 26 on the numpad, let it go, and then it will show up.
Now I have to program my keyboard to have the number pad.
Or have the AutoHotkey script, as Joe said. You just create your AutoHotkey script or use the Unicode lookup character and actually, I don't know, Joe, if you linked it, but basically, yeah. So just go there and it would be easier for you. Just grab the character that you want and set a hotkey to it, and you don't have to think about it anymore.